Hi, my name is Anjana Pankajakshan. I am from Kannur, Kerala. I am currently pursuing my degree in Yenapoya Deemed to be University in BBA Business Analytics and Digital Marketing. Part of my internship, I chose Canara Digital. I worked as a digital marketing intern. At the beginning, I faced a lot of challenges. As time passed, I gained more knowledge and it became easier. I learned how to create. By this internship, I learned how to create blogs, Google Analytics, bottom content, backlinks, video creation, thumbnail creation, etc. I won't show my internship experience in my interview so that I would not be a fresher. I would thank Ibrahim sir and Ramya ma'am for supporting and guiding me. I would also thank Manjunath sir for